kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD but in lowercase. Light green color, orange color, skin color, light grey color, dark grey color, dark green color, brown color, yellow color, purple color. Let's start. Red color. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. Blue color. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for girl. G for girl. H for house. H for house. Orange color. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. Yellow color. M for mango. M for mango. N for nose. N for nose. O for owl. O for owl. P for piano. P for piano. Purple color. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for ring. R for ring. S for sister. S for sister. T for tomato. T for tomato. Green color. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for village. V for village. W for water. W for water. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Brown color. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video. Till then, bye.